Hello everyone, today we are going to start Adobe After Effects series for beginners. This is the software which is used for motion graphics. In this lecture we will discuss the interface of the After Effects. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the After Effects. Here you can see your previous projects. If you open it for first time, this will be blank. To create a new project, click on New. Firstly, we will create a new composition. Create a new composition by clicking on it. Type the name of the composition. Set the preset to HDTV 1080 25 frames per second. Width is 1920 and height is 1080 pixels. Here is the time. You can set the time whatever you want. I am adding 5 seconds. Now click OK. This is the interface of the After Effects. The interface is divided into 5 basic panels. Let's discuss these panels one by one. Here is the project panel on the left side of the window. Here we will import all of our videos, shapes, sounds, audio and anything which we want to use in our project. Here in the bottom is the timeline. All the editing like duration, animation will be done in this panel. Here you will see all the layers. From here you can zoom in or out the layers and length of time. Composition panel is in the center. You can say it like a preview window or screen. Here you can see the visual of the layers. In the right side of the window you can see the work panel. Here you can see the align panel to align the objects. Another panel you can see here is character panel. This is used for text or type. You must be familiar with the align panel and character panel because we have already used them in Illustrator and other softwares. Here is the tool panel at the top. To activate the tools, we simply click on it. You can customize the panels, stretch them according to your work. This is all for now. I hope this will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.